How to create or open Grubhub driver account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create yourself an Grubhub driver account. So without any further ado, let us get right into the process. Head over to any of your preferred web browser and at the top search bar, type in Grubhub driver sign up. You will see Grubhub driver at the first search result. Tap open it. At this page, you will have to pass the 3 steps in order to create yourself and Grubhub driver's account. Choose your state and your city. Once done, tap on to next. In here, type in your first name, your last name, email, phone number, check the box and tap on to next. And once you've done that, you will just land it onto step 3rd. Follow the steps as well and then you will be able to create yourself and Grubhub driver's account. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.